One way to use the search engine is to find sites that are going to be related to the one that you are actually doing research on. So in this particular case, if we were to write in the site Atkins.com, we would actually find that all of the results would be focused around the site, as it should be. However, what we could also do is we could also use a search parameter called related. And we're going to write in related and then colon. And we're not going to leave any spaces behind the colon. And once we have that written in, we're going to hit enter. And what's going to happen is we're going to get relevant results to Atkins.com. So if you're looking to do research to find out what sites are like Atkins.com when it comes to the information that they have on their site, you can use the related colon, just making sure that there is no space between the colon and the site that you are going to be looking for. You don't have to put the HTTP in there. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.